Good morning, respected principals and attendants. Today I shall be going to tell about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great man. He was born on 14 April 1891. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sattar. His mother's name was Bhima Bhai Sakpal. He is also known as Baba Sahib. He is called father of India Constitution. He was the first Law Minister of India. He is died on 6th December 1956. He loved reading books. He helped poor and backward people. He studied in many countries. His birthday is celebrated every year, 14 April. People remember him with the love and respect. He worked to stop untouchability. He became a